Good morning. Standard 10 Sanskrit. Lesson number 2. Yad Bhavishya Vinasati. Yad Bhavishya gets destroyed. Panchatantra and Hitopadesh are famous folktale work in Sanskrit. In it, animals are the characters through which preaching of wisdom has been imparted in very simple and natural way. Right from children to old age, everyone loves to listen to story. As one enjoy reading it, one find easy to understand the moral inbuilt in the story. The lesson presented here is prepared on the basis of both Panchatantra and Hitopadesh. Vishnu Sharma, the author, has written composed Panchatantra in 5 sections: Mitra Bhed, Mitra Samprapti, Kakolokiyam, Labdha Pranas, and Aparikshit Karak. This story is taken from first section Mitra Bhed. The writer of Hitopadesh is Narayan Pandit. There are 4 sections in Hitopadesh: Vish, Mitralabh, Surat Bhed, Vigrah, and Sandhi. The present story is found in the 4th section Sandhi. Here is a story of 3 fish, Anagat Vidhata, Pratyut Pannamati, and Yad Bhavishya. Anagat Vidhata runs away to another lake to protect itself from fishermen. When Pratyut Pannamati is caught in the net, it protects itself by finding the way using its swift intellect. Third fish, Yad Bhavishya, thinking, come what may, sits idle and ruins itself. The names given to all 3 fish suggests their nature. A man should think about the remedy for forthcoming difficulties in advance, and he should intellectually find out the way when he is in trouble. An idle and inactive person depending just on luck has to suffer like Yad Bhavishya. So let's start the lesson. पुरा एकस्मिन् जलाशये अनागत विधाता प्रत्युत्पन्नमतिः यत् भविष्य च इति त्रयः मत्स्याः वसन्ति स्म. पुरा means once upon a time. एकस्मिन् once. जलाशय means in the lake. अनागत विधाता प्रत्युत्पन्नमति यत् भविष्य च means and. त्रयः मत्स्याः 3 male fish वसन्ति स्म. Once upon a time, 3 male fish, Anagat Vidhata, Pratyut Pannamati, and Yad Bhavishya used to live in a lake. Atha kadachit tam jalasem drashtva divarehi uktam. Atha means then. Kadachit means once. Tam means that. Jalasem means lake. Drashtva seeing. Then once, seeing that the lake, Divarehi Uktam means fish. It was said by the fishermen. Then once, seeing that the lake, it was said by the fishermen. Aho Bahumatsya Ayam Ridaha. Aho means aha. Bahumatsya, plenty of fish in it. Ayam means this. Ridaha means lake. Aha, this lake has plenty of fish in it. कदाचित अपि न अस्माभिः अन्वेषितः. कदाचित means never. अन्वेषितः means discovered. Never discovered by us. तद अद्य आहार वृत्तिः सज्जाता. तद means so. अद्य means today. आहार वृत्तिः means provision for our food. सज्जाता means is made. So today provision for our food is made. स्वः अत्र आगम्य मत्स्यकुर्म आदयः व्यापादितव्याः इति निश्चयः। स्वः मीन्स् टुमारो। अत्रागम्यः कम हियर। मत्स्य फिश, कुर्म मीन्स tortoise, आदयः मीन्स एक्सेट्रा, व्यापादितव्यः मीन्स should be killed. Come here tomorrow, the fish and tortoise etc. should be killed. This is decided. Let's see the full translation. Once upon a time, 3 male fish, अनागत विधाता, प्रत्युत्पन्नमति and yet भविष्य used to live in a lake. Then once, seeing that the lake, it was said by the fishermen, "Aha, this lake has plenty of fish in it. It was never discovered before by us. So today the provision for our food is made. Coming here tomorrow, the fish, tortoise etc. should be killed. This is decided." अथ तेषां तत् कुलिशोपमं वचनं समाकर्ण्य मत्स्याः परस्परं प्राहुः। अथ मीन्स देन, तेषां देर, कुलिशोपमं resembling a thunderbolt, समाकर्ण्यं हियर attentively, मत्स्याः fish, परस्परं प्राहुः to one another. Then having here attentively their speech resembling a thunderbolt, the fish said to one another, "Shruto ayam divarah alapah." Shrutah means here, ayam means this, divarah fisherman, alapah means conversation. This conversation of fishermen is here. Aduna asmabhihi kim kartavyam. Now, aduna means now, asmabhihi means us. Now, what should be done by us? तत्र अनागत विधाता नाम मत्स्यः प्राह, प्राह means said. The fish name अनागत विधाता there said, नूनं प्रभात समये धीवराः अत्रागम्य मत्स्य संशयं करिष्यन्ति इति मम मनसि वर्तते. मनसि वर्तते means I think. नूनं means indeed. प्रभात समये early in the morning. धीवराः means fishermen. अत्रागम्य coming here. मत्स्य संक्षयम, संक्षयम means destroy. मत्स्य means fish. मत्स्य संक्षयम करिष्यन्ति means destroy the fish totally. I think the fishermen will indeed come here early in the morning and destroy the fish totally. तन्न युक्तं संप्राप्तं क्षणमपि अत्र अवस्थातुं. न युक्तं मीन्स नॉट राइट. संप्राप्तं मीन्स नाउ. क्षणमपि इवन अ मोमेंट. अत्र मीन्स हियर. अवस्थातुं मीन्स स्टे. सो इट इज नॉट राइट टू स्टे हियर इवन फॉर अ मोमेंट. अस्माभिः रात्रौ एव किञ्चित् समीपं सरः गन्तव्यम्. अस्, अस्माभिः मीन्स अस्. रात्रौ मीन्स टू नाइट. समीपम सरः means nearby lake. Gantavyam means go. Tonight itself we should go to a lake nearby. अहं तावत् जलाशय अन्तरं गच्छामि. As for me, अहं as for me. I am going to another lake. जलाशय अन्तरं means another lake. गच्छामि means going. I am going to another lake. Then having heard attentively their speech resembling a thunderbolt, the fish said to one another, "This conversation of fishermen is here. Now what should be done by us?" The fish named Anagat Vidhata there said, "I think the fishermen will indeed come here early in the morning and destroy the fish totally. So it is not right to stay here even for a moment. Tonight itself we should go to a lake nearby. As for me, I am going to another lake." अपरः प्रत्युत्पन्नमतिः प्राह. अपरः means other. Praha means said. प्रत्युत्पन्नमति the other fish said. भविष्यत् अर्थे प्रमाण अभावात् कुत्र मया गन्तव्यम. भविष्यत् अर्थे means for the future. प्रमाण अभावात् means no proof. कुत्र means where. मया means I. गन्तव्यम means go. Since there is no proof of future, what will happen? Where should I go? तदुत्पन्ने यथा कार्ये तद अनुष्ठेयम. यथा कार्य means whatever should be done. तदुत्पन्ने when it arises. Tad अनुष्ठेयम means the same should be done. So when the occasion arises, I should do whatever should be done. तथा च उक्तम. It is said. उक्तम means said. It is said. उत्पन्नम आपदम यह तु समाधते स बुद्धिमान. उत्पन्नम आपदम. आपदम means calamity. यह हूँ समाधते resolve. बुद्धिमान intelligent. He who resolve the calamity when it comes is really intelligent. प्रत्युत्पन्नमति the other fish said, since there is no proof of future, what will happen? Where should I go? So when the occasion arises, I should do whatever should be done. It is said, he who resolves the calamity when it comes is really intelligent. ततो यद भविष्येण उक्तम. Then it was said by यद भविष्य. धीवराणां वचन मात्रेण पितृपितामहिकस्य जलाशयस्य त्यागः न युज्यते. Merely by fishermen. पितृपितामहिकस्य means belong to forefathers. जलाशयस्य means lake. त्यागः means leave. न युज्यते means not right. Merely by the fisherman's speech belong to our forefather. Merely by the fisherman's speech, it is not right to let belong to our forefathers. यदि आयुः क्षयो अस्ति तदा अन्यत्र गतानाम् अपि मृत्युः भविष्यति एव. यदि means if, आयुः means life, क्षयः means finish, अन्यत्र means another, गतानां means going, mrityu means death. If the life is over, then even by going to another lake, death will take place, and it is said. Uktam cha, and it is said. Yad bhavi na tad bhavi, bhavi cha na tad अन्यथा. इति चिंता विषग्नो अयम अगदः किम न पीयते. यद भावी means whatever is not going to happen. च न अन्यथा, not change. Whatever is not going to happen will not happen. If something going to happen, it will not change. Iti किम न पीयते means why it is not drunk. अगदः means medicine. चिंता विषग्न means poison of anxiety. Why is this medicine which puts an end to the poison of anxiety not drunk? Then it was said by Yad Bhavishya. Merely by speech of fishermen, it is not right to leave the lake that belonged to our forefathers. If the life is over, then even by going to another lake, death will take place, and it is said, whatever is not going to happen will not happen. If something is going to happen, it will not change. Be otherwise. Why is this medicine which puts an end to the poison of anxiety not drunk? अथ तयोः निश्चयं ज्ञात्वा अनागतविधाता निष्क्रान्तः सह परिजनेन अथ मीन्स् देन् तयः मीन्स् बोत् टू निश्चयं मीन्स् डिसिजन ज्ञात्वा मीन्स् लर्न नोइंग निष्क्रान्तः वेंट आउट सह मीन्स् विथ परिजनेन with the family member. Then, having learned the decision of the two, Anagatvidata went out with the member of his family. Dvo imo tatreva jalasaye sthito. Dvo means these two. Imo there. Tatreva there. Jalasaye means in the lake. Sthito means stay. These two stayed there in the lake. अपरेद्युः धीवरैः आगत्य जलाशये जालं क्षिप्तम् अपरेद्युः मीन्स् नेक्स्ट डे धीवरैः फिशरमैन आगत्य मीन्स् केम जलाशय मीन्स् इन द लेक जालं मीन्स् नेट क्षिप्तम मीन्स् थ्रेड नेक्स्ट डे द फिशरमैन केम एंड थ्रेड द नेट इन द लेक जालेन बद्धः प्रत्युत्पन्नमतिः मृतवत् आत्मनं संदर्श्य स्थितः जालेन मीन्स नेट बद्धः मीन्स ट्रैपेड मृतवत् मीन्स लाइक डेड वन आत्मनं मीन्स हिमसेल्फ संदर्श्य शोइंग स्थितः स्टेड ट्रैपेड इन द नेट प्रत्युत्पन्नमतिः रिमेन शोइंग हिमसेल्फ लाइक अ डेड वन ततो जालात् अपसारितः यथाशक्ति उपलुट्य गंभीरं नीरं प्रविष्टत ततः मीन्स देन जालात् मीन्स नेट अपसारितः मीन्स थ्रो अवे यथाशक्ति टू हिज अकॉर्डिंग टू हिज स्ट्रेंथ उपलुट्य मीन्स जंप गंभीरं नीरं प्रविष्टः गंभीरं मीन्स डीप नीरम means water pravistah means enter then being thrown away from the net he jumped according to his strength and entered deep water यद भविष्य धीवरैः प्राप्तः व्यापारितः च यद भविष्य धीवरैः means fisherman प्राप्तः means caught व्यापारितः means killed यद भविष्य was caught and killed by the fisherman अतः एव उक्तम therefore it is said अनागत विधाता च प्रत्युत्पन्नमति तथा द्वावेतो सुखमेधते यद भविष्यो विनश्यति अनागत विधाता one who provide the future and प्रत्युत्पन्नमति one who is ready with it these two द्वावेतो means these two सुखमेधते means edhate means prosper sukha means happy prosper happily yad bhavishya one who believes in come what may happen vinashyati gets completely destroyed anagat vidhata then having learned the decision of the two anagat vidhata went out of the lake with the member of his family. These two stayed there in the lake itself. Next day, the fisherman came and threw the net in the lake. Trapped in the net, Pratyutpannamati remained showing himself like a dead one. Then being thrown away from the net, he jumped according to his stage and entered deep water. Yad Bhavishya was caught and killed by the fisherman. Therefore, it is said, Anagat Vidhata, one who provides for the future, and Pratyutpannamati, one who is ready with it. These two prosper happily. Yad Bhavishya, one who believes in come what may happen, gets completely destroyed. Okay, thank you.